I found that there is a comment given by Ashi, and she, pardon me if I am spelling your name wrongly. So this was the table on which the tutorial was primarily built. Now what I am trying to say is that I will be creating two subtable from this table. One is child hole, as you can see in the spreadsheet in the status bar. There is a table child hole. This child hole would be what it would show is that from the master table it would extract the data of Shyam, Madhu, Das Electronics, these four records, purchaser. In this purchaser, these four records should be collected, and against those four row labels, against those four row datas, all of the column labels should be returned. Now, how to do this using advanced filter? First of all, we need to go to the child hole table and place your cursor in the position where you want to paste the data. After that, go to data tab and click on advanced. From the advanced, you will have to select copy to another location, and there you will have the list range. So the list range is the whole of this table data. So what I am feeding in this list range, I am feeding in the whole of the table data to the list range. In the criteria, this criteria is something which is having from the master table, and it is getting, this is the criteria. So purchaser Sam, under purchaser Sam, Madhu, Das Electronics. So this master data, so this purchaser, the name of these four row labels would be compared with the whole of the table which is present in the list range, and it will be copied to which location? Place the cursor in that particular cell of that child sheet and press OK, and here you have the whole of the table. So by whole child hole, by that particular term, I mean that the table is having vendor, location, zone, unit, type, rate, total. All of the column labels are being are being populated in the child table. But this might not be the scenario. What if I want to fix some data, only some column label data to the child sheet? Then what I will be doing is that, first of all, let me select this whole of data, Control C, and go to the child limited and paste it in anywhere, say Control V to paste the data, and I will be extracting not the whole of the table. I will be selecting vendor and maybe location. Let me press escape and then press on vendor, then location and type and maybe total. So these are the four column data which will be retrieving in the child table. Let me press Ctrl C and give the table headings in here, Ctrl V. Fine. So as I have already told you that to create a subtable from a master table using the advanced filter option, you need to keep your selection on the child table. So this child limited is a subtable and the master is the primary table from where I am fetching the data. So keep your cursor in the child table and then press on under data tab. There is option advanced. Click on it. From this advanced option, just select the second option, that is copy to another location, and select the list range. This list range is present within master and it would be having all of this whole of this table. I am feeding in this table, and the criteria range would be this. This is the criteria range. Fine. And it would be copied to which location? I'll be selecting this column label. Just remember, when copy to the selection, the selected, the data under purchaser, the data is already present, but inside vendor, location, type, total. These are the four column label data which I need to feed. Extract the data from the master table. So select only that portion of the table, that is vendor, location, type and total, and do keep in mind that this column label should be the same as that is in the master table. I have just copied in that column labels and pasted it in here so that there is no spelling mistake and the format is proper. Now simply press OK, and here the data has been populated. So it is showing that now I need to compare the data. For comparing the data, I will be clicking on the view tab and I will be clicking on new window. After that, I will be clicking in the master sheet and then arrange all. Then I will be selecting this option vertical and just press OK. Fine. So there are several Excel sheets that have opened up. Let me clear out the tables which I don't require as of now, and see in this table. Okay, so let me arrange a bit in my own way. Okay, so NIT is WBACTCL, NIT is WBACTCL, fine. Sham is also WBACTCL, and see, this is a child table. Just take a look into it. So hope I made this video tutorial again for you. Hope I am being able to clear out the doubt. Just follow the thing which I did here, go along, and I think you would be able to extract, that is, filter data from the parent table to the child table. So that's all for this video tutorial. Hope this helps you in some way, and I am being able to clear out the doubt. I am being able to clear out the doubt basically. If I have able to clear out the doubt, that will be a plus point, or maybe that there is something like that. Let's not elongate this video anymore. Thank you all, and happy coding.